Unlock your future in pharmacy at Salim Habib University. If your aspiration to become a healthcare professional didn't grow as planned, don't worry. Salim Habib University welcomes you with open arms. As being a healthcare professional doesn't mean you have to choose one particular path. At Salim Habib University, we take education beyond the conventional. Our experienced faculty members are dedicated to mentoring and prepare future pharmacists to excel in their career. Here, we do not just supervise them. We nurture their potential and guide them every step of the way. As a lecturer, I take a pride in fostering an environment where students can thrive. We encourage open dialogue and interaction during our classes, which not only enhances understanding but also build confidence in our students, allowing them to share their ideas clearly. We believe that ideas and perspectives are invaluable, and here we make sure that our students not only share them with us but also take it to the next step and achieve big.
Karachi was new for me as I had a major relocation from Lahore. Choosing the right institution was an important decision. I chose Salim Habib University, and in many ways, Salim Habib University chose me. Interaction between faculty and students here is truly admirable. Our well-equipped laboratories open new doors for research where students develop innovative ideas. With the continuous guidance and support from our faculty, these ideas are nurtured and transformed into meaningful research outcomes and products. Join us and embrace innovation through our LMS-based learning, which reduces the paper usage and instills a sense of environmental responsibility among our students.
Together, we shape competent professionals who are ready to lead and succeed in the dynamic field of pharmacy.